going on, guys? So today in this video we are going to be testing out the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. I'm going to be testing it out on my 2009 Mazda 3 behind me, and we'll see how it does. I know there are a ton of products out there to restore your headlights. A lot of different companies pushing different products, doing different things. The Cerakote kit is supposed to be one of the easiest to apply, and kind of one of the quickest solutions to get your headlights restored. Yeah, I'll put on the screen how long it's supposed to last. I know some are only temporary fixes. I'll show you what it comes with, and we'll dive into it. So let's open up the kit, see what it comes with. Slice this thing open. Alright. So we got I think we got 2 pairs of gloves. It's kind of nice, because you don't want this stuff getting on your hands, I don't think. We got the instructions here, kind of step by step, what we're doing. It's really nice though, everything is nicely labeled in here. So it says step 2, so maybe that is why we got step 1, step 2, step 3. That's my assumption. This is just a little applicator pad for the different grit sandpaper. So let's see how fast we can get this done. Alright, so the first step in the process is you just want to get the headlight as clean as you can, just with some soapy water and a rag. I probably should have done this before I put the tape, but we're going to get that knocked out, and then we'll jump on to step 1. Step 1 is to take the ceramic headlight oxidation remover wipes, and what we're going to do is we're going to wipe the whole surface of the headlight, going in a circular kind of scrubbing motion. They'll turn yellow as it pulls the oxidation out of the headlight, and we'll go through as many wipes as we need to. We have 6, so probably 3 for each headlight, and then after that we'll move on to step 2. So let's get this knocked out. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely turning yellow. So I took the tape off just because you don't want this oxidation stuff to get on the paint and stay on the paint, so kind of have a rag ready to clean it up if need be. And here. So what I'm going to do is do the 3rd wipe. You guys don't need to watch me do the whole thing, and then we'll move on to step 2. But after you've wiped them down with the wipes, you're just going to rinse them off with some water. The headlight should be pretty cloudy. Next, we're going to take the 2000 grit supplied sandpaper. We're going to put it on the applicator pad, and we're going to start sanding this thing. During this step, you're going to want to make sure we're wet sanding here, so you want to make sure you have some water. I have some soapy water, it doesn't really matter. And then we're just going to sand the whole headlight down and go from there. So let's get started. You want to make sure you're keeping it wet as you go to sand. For some of the harder to reach areas, you're going to want to take it off the pad. Alright, so we got the gray pad here, 3000 grit. We're going to do the same thing. Make sure we get pretty even coverage. For the next step, you need the headlight to be completely dry and the surrounding areas, and what we're going to do is we're going to come in with the ceramic clear coat coating, and we're going to wipe horizontally, overlapping 50% on each pass. Try to at least. Yeah, then you just wait 60 minutes and yeah, should be a pretty big difference. So. Alright, this is the after. It's still got to dry, but I mean, it is definitely night and day difference. So we got that one, and we got this one. Before, after. Alright guys, so I just got done doing the driver's side headlight. Passenger has already been 60 minutes. And it's looking really good. Now, obviously, results can vary based on how bad your headlights are, how much time you take, and how diligent you are. But for my first time doing this, like this is my first time ever restoring headlights. First time ever using the Cerakote kit. I definitely recommend it. It gets a thumbs up from me. I could have done some things a little bit differently. I didn't completely do the 50% one coat of the clear coat. It's kind of hard to do just because like you have to go in the same motion, and sometimes you miss some spots, so you kind of got to touch it up real quick. So that's going to be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Again, this was on my 2009 Mazda 3. It'll work on any car that you have. Obviously, the more complex your headlight is, as far as like angles and curves and stuff, might take you a little bit longer. But I was filming when I did the one light, so it took me, I don't know, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. The second one, I already knew what I was doing, so it went a little bit quicker. I think I got it knocked out in about 30 minutes. From a standpoint of results, first off, and kind of time frame wise, this is probably the quickest and most intuitive kind of all-inclusive kit, in my opinion, that you can get on the market. I mean, there's going to be other competitors out there. Just from everything that comes in the box, you have the sandpaper, which is a huge part. You have the oxidization wipes or whatever that removes the oxidization in the headlight, then sandpaper, then the clear coat. So I mean, it's covering all bases that you need for a nice, clear, and hopefully long-lasting lens. One quick note, I am working on this really big project that I've had in the works, this new series that I've been talking about. I am in the process of editing and filming that video. I have it in my editing software, and I'm working on it to get some more clips of my buddy's car and all that stuff, but it's coming out. It's going to take a little bit of time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy content like this, click that thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, lets me know that I should continue making some content. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.
Okay, I used to be up to no good, hey. Now I got all of these shows booked, okay. Now I'm the man in my whole hood, damn, hey. Think I'm doing pretty well, pretty well.